So today we're at the sports field to learn about kinematics.
Kinematics? What's that?
Kinematics is basically the study of distance, velocity and acceleration. The most basic thing in kinematics is the measurement of length.
So, you're talking about my scale?
Yes, Veer, you're going to learn today about distance and displacement.
Displacement? Distance? What's that?
Okay, so you see the finish line over there? It's
Yes.
100 meters away, right?
Yes.
So the displacement is the direct distance between any 2 points, just like the displacement between here and the finish line is 100 meters.
So, if I run 100 meters straight, I get the displacement.
Yes, and the distance is any other longer path. So suppose you go around in a circle that way, that's the distance you will cover to the other side.
So, you need to follow the shortest route to get the displacement.
So let's go run the race, it's just about to start, okay?
Okay.
On your marks, get set, go!
The displacement you cover in 1 second is your velocity. You can either have a low velocity like right now when the race has just started, or have a fast velocity when the race is at its last leg.
Oh, so the faster I run, the greater the velocity.
Yes, Veer. Now when you increase your velocity to run faster, you are accelerating. This means that you are going at a faster speed.
Oh, so now because I'm accelerating, the finish line's coming even closer. So you have to be careful, bhaiya. I think you lost the race. See, I told you you'll lose the race because your average velocity is slower than mine.
Do you even know what average velocity is?
Yes, it's the total distance travelled divided by the total time taken. So if I run a 100-meter race in 20 seconds, my average velocity will be 5 meters per second.
See, you learned something new about physics today. So to recap, we learned 5 things today. Displacement is the direct distance between 2 points. Distance is the actual length travelled when a person travels from point A to point B. Velocity is how fast you travel, and average velocity is the total distance upon the total time. Acceleration is how fast your velocity is changing. Thank you.